Hey peeps. You have a handy new little gadget here that I just got in the mail. And I'm wondering if any of you have this thing. It's a traffic signal changer. I just got it today, and I've been looking at them on eBay for a while now and reading about different kinds that you can get. But this one is a double magnet one, and it has a buffer in between. And most of the other ones that they're selling have the like Velcro tape that or some sort of tape that you stick to the bottom of your bike. But I've heard that they come off after a little while when you ride in the rain and stuff. Anyway, what a traffic signal changer is, if y'all know, the pavement has like little electric loops in it when you come to a left-hand turn signal, or even, you know, going straight. And your bike isn't big enough for the signals in the road to see your bike. And with this magnet, it creates a field and will allow the light to change when you come up to the light. So we're gonna put this on and see how it happens, because I got totally frustrated coming up to stoplights and actually having to run them and not changing, or hoping that a car is coming and then I have to let the car go ahead so it will change the light, because I know if I'm up there it'll stay red like forever. But anyway, this thing is supposed to stick up under the bike, and I'm going to find someone to put it over here. Supposed to be as close to the ground as you can get it. It'll be somewhere around here in front. Maybe even up on your radiator shroud. Good. Now that thing is powerful. I don't think it's going to be coming off. Just about incredibly strong magnet. I'm hoping that'll work. And any of you guys out there have one, let me know. I've never heard anybody mention whether or not they actually have a traffic signal changer on their bike. And I'd just like to hear from you guys if y'all have one or not. So let me know. And if you're wondering how my hearing aid thing is working out here, this thing is bomb. I mean, now I can cruise and rest my hands and not have to worry about the needles and pins in my wrist feeling that you get, So that's that. And this guy, his name is Cant12, and I got it off eBay. It was like $21 for this little gadget, and I'll keep y'all posted and let you know how good it works. Hoping it works pretty good. Anyway, take care. See y'all later. Bye.